Creating a Trello board in your Roblox is not directly possible because Trello is an external project management tool and is not part of the Roblox platform. However, you can integrate a Trello board with the Roblox game development. How can you do it? Just go to your Trello website. Remember, you have to log in. If you don't already have login, you can log in. It's simple. You don't need to. It's not a rocket science. Now you can create a board of your Roblox project. Once you log in, you can create a new board. You can name it Roblox game development or something. Then you can change the visibility to private or maybe public, depends on what you want to, if you want to see others. And if not, you can now set up your Hello Trello project. You can give ideas to do, in progress, completed task, and bug fixes. And this is how you can make a Trello cards and task for your project, which is Roblox. This is how you can use Roblox and Trello project together, and that helps you to manage your Roblox too. You can even use Trello's API, which is optional, but you can, if you're a developer, you can use Trello's API. You can use it in Roblox Studio to update task automatically. So this was how you can add Roblox task